Completed an install of a wood-burning fireplace and associated chimney system. Up on the top behind me, you can see the Voller DP600 with the tube hanging down. We are going to complete a test today. There's your Voller box, nice big beautiful box. That's this $5,000 to $8,000 little beauty comes in, and we're going to do a test. You're going to see it from the very beginning through the interior all the way to the top, how we hook it up in the little printer. Let's get started. Up on top of the chimney, in this case we have that brand new Simpson Duratec 6-inch. We're going to test it by inserting the plug. Rather simple in this case. We're going to put the doors on the fireplace. We'll show you that in just a minute. But this DP600 test will be done from the top, testing the chimney system, every single joint, the anchor plate, and the fireplace doors. How cool is that? Testing the entire fireplace and its associated chimney system as a system. Just tuck this sensor wire in there. So it's got two systems here. One, it pushes air down from the main tube, which will connect to the machine in a minute. You'll see that. And then this senses the back pressure. So that long stem you saw, that's what that is. And so we're going to get a nice tight seal. Foam block in the top of the chimney. Foam block. Well, actually, we'll just put the doors on the fireplace at the bottom. All right. Then we'll connect this to the sensor tube and connect our main push-pull hose. You can do two types of tests. You can do what's called a positive pressure test, or a P test, P for pressure, in test for negative pressure. So you can pull a light vacuum on here. And yes, I'm struggling. It's hard with one hand. So we'll get this thing connected, and it's just a little rubber O-ring that pushes on. So now we're on the inside of the home. This new factory-built fireplace here has been installed, and we're going to do the test on it. But it's got a double door system in this case, so we need to, when we do our pressure test, our integrity test, we're going to be inspecting the functionality of this gasket as it goes down, and it seats against this face here. So over here we got a gasket material as well, and we're just going to leave all the baffle tubes, the airflow system inside. We're just going to leave it. But one thing we are going to do right on the outside that I didn't realize we had to do, check this out. We actually have to plug the air intake, because if you don't plug the air intake, it's part of the system, and we want to make sure that that's sealed, because your air system over here that we use on these units, we've got that high-low air adjustment, comes through the right side, circles around the unit to the outside. We want to make sure that is not gonna be a place for the pressure to exhaust out of during the pressure test. So we sealed it up. All right, so we have completed the air pressure test here. We put the stem in the top, it put the pressure in, and let's take a look here at the screen. So I'm going to turn it around. So as we come in, we can see that we have measured a 32 cubic meters per hour is what it's measured, and the leakage rate. And what is allowed or permissible is 41. So it is less than what is allowed, so test has passed. So I take my handy dandy little IR printer. All right, so here we go. It printed out. Here's our little slip. Come take a look. So it says chimney data. There's your length and your diameter in millimeters. Test okay, that's the operative word, with technician's signature and date. Look, you can put the company name up at the top. So hope that helps you guys get a little bit of an understanding of how this system works, and that's great. We got a passed unit today. So this system is passed. It's passed the 20 Pascal pressure test. Well, if you made it this far in the video, perhaps it was something useful to you about chimneys and fireplaces in our tour around Europe. Please click the like and subscribe button below. I can't believe I'm saying this, but we got to keep the Google monster happy. Thank you so much.